In this video, we will provide you step by step on how to stake ELA and vote for validators in the Elastos blockchain. Hi, my name is Rico Richardson and I welcome you back to the official Elastos YouTube channel. To fully understand Elastos, I encourage you to watch the video linked in the description and at the end of this video. That video will tell you everything there is to know about the Elastos project. That way, we can dive right into staking your ELA coins in this video. Now first, I want to take a moment here and explain how Elastos blockchain architecture works. Elastos is a layer 1 blockchain that is merge mined with Bitcoin. At the moment, it has over 50% of Bitcoin's hash power. This means that when a miner solves a block for Bitcoin, they can reuse that same work to mine Elastos blocks. Elastos gets Bitcoin security without requiring extra energy. It's like getting 2 rewards for doing one job, and this is why Elastos' hash rate is so high. It's effectively borrowing roughly 50% of Bitcoin's massive mining power through merge mining. Now on top of the layer 1 chain, we have 2 side chains, Elastos Smart Chain and Elastos Identity Chain. And we use this main chain, side chain structure, to provide specialized chains for each purpose. And this prevents congestion while also preserving decentralization. Now let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a deep dive into our architecture and sidechains. Now let's get back to our topic, which is staking ELA. First, you will need to acquire some Elastos coins from exchanges. And the best way is to have a look at CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, or check our website as we have a dedicated page for available exchanges. To stake your ELA coins, you will need the Elastos Essentials wallet. Now let me quickly give you an overview on the Essentials wallet. Imagine having one single app on your phone that lets you store your crypto assets and your online identity, use decentralized apps, and even give you the option to participate in the Elastos community governance. Beyond the Elastos chains, it also supports other chains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and 20 other chains. Now that's what the Elastos Essential wallet is all about. It's a free mobile wallet available for iOS and Android, built for people who want more control over their digital life. So not just their money, but their data and identity too. Essentials uses something called DID, which stands for Decentralized Identifiers. Now think of it like a digital password that you control. Regular wallets usually only create you a wallet that you can store and transfer crypto assets in. But in Essentials, you're not creating a wallet, you are creating a decentralized identity or DID that's connected to your multi-chain wallet from Elastos chains to the other 20 chains. Now, do you want me to do a complete walkthrough for Essentials? Drop a comment down below and let me know. Before staking your ELA coins, I want to let you know that the staking system in the Elastos blockchain is very unique. The system is called Bonded Proof of Stake, or BPoS. Now this system essentially provides the most decentralized and the fairest reward distribution ever in any other blockchain. Regular stakers can earn up to 5% API, and validators can earn up to 21% API. And if you need even more than 21%, you can become a council member and run a validator to earn up to 36% API. Insane numbers for an asset with more than 50% of Bitcoin's hash power, right? Now let me quickly explain a few details. In this system, there are 2 steps to start earning rewards: staking and voting for validators. Now once you stake your ELA coins, they will not be locked. However, you will be able to participate in governance like vetoing past Elastos DAO proposals or impeaching an elected Elastos DAO council member, and much more. But to actually earn rewards, you will have to vote on validators. Now you can vote for validators from 10 days to 1,000 days. But why would you log for more than 10 days, right? Well, that's a good question. Because once you vote, each ELA coin becomes a voting right. And your voting rights determine how much ELA you will earn. But you can get 2 voting rights for 1 ELA stake and vote, or even 3 voting rights. Now this is calculated via a mathematical calculation, where the longer you vote, the more voting rights you will have. To simplify, if you vote with 2 ELA coins for 10 days, you will have 2 ELA voting rights, while voting for 100 days gives you 4 ELA voting rights, and 1,000 days gives you 6 ELA voting rights. Now you have learned that 10-day voting gives you a 1-time multiplier, while 100 days gives you a 2 times, and 1,000 days a whopping 3 times multiplier. I encourage you to check our staking portal calculator and play with the variables. Now this will help you choose your suitable time based on rewards and the amount of ELA you have. Now remember when I said the bonded proof of stake system is the fairest staking system? This is because it actively encourages ELA holders who want to stake and secure the network vote for newer nodes, helping them achieve active status. Now, every validator node on the Elastos blockchain must pledge 2000 ELA to earn 21% API and secure the network. The implementation of this flexible API system encourages regular stakers to vote for newer nodes and not saturate top nodes. And this is done via making fresh nodes give more API to regular stakers, and they are incentivized to vote for them. Now, the Elastos blockchain currently has 81 globally active nodes, and I encourage you to check out our staking portal to learn more about our validators, secure the network, and earn rewards. Right, so let me show you how you can stake and unstake your coins. And remember, make sure you've acquired your ELA and you are on the main chain network in the Essentials wallet and transferred it to your Essentials wallet. So let me first show you how to browse the bonded proof of stake nodes. And you can go to staking.elastos.net, go to nodes, and then you see this screen, Elastos bonded proof of stake validator nodes. Now we see active validators, average APR, total stake, total delegators, and staking ratio. But we also see featured nodes. Now validators, they are building up voting rights. Your support can help them reach active status. Now, if you scroll down, you will see all the different types of validator nodes. You can actually sort them by APR, by voting rights, or by the name. Now, if you want the highest APR, it's very important to make sure you find the one that has the lowest voting rights, because those give the highest APR. Now, the first available one is this Webo3. Now, we do not endorse this one, but it's just to show you how this works, right? And then if you click it, you can see the active validator, how many voting rights they have, how many delegators there are, and the APR, which is 3.4%. You see a website and basically all the other information that you need. Now here's a reward estimation. And if you think that this one is the one for you, you can follow this, how to stake ELA with this validator. Now simply select Webo3 in the Elastos Essentials wallet bonded proof of stake voting section. You need to open up your Elastos Essentials wallet. All right, let's stake our ELA. I've opened up my Essentials wallet and I've funded it with ELA tokens. Let's swipe right. And then we see in the middle Elastos staking. Let's click it. And here we see we currently have a staked amount of 0 with reward 0, available reward 0 in ELA stake for votes 0. But we're going to change that. On the bottom, we have stake, unstake, withdraw, and unvote. So let's click stake. And I'm going to click max. And I'm going to click stake. Now I need to enter my master password, but I'm going to use biometric authentication. Click next. I'm going to use my fingerprint. Any transaction is successful. And now that we're back, we're going to Elastos voting, BPoS voting. Click it. And as said, we're using Webo3. So I'm going to find that by filtering in the top right, number of votes that is going from low to high. And then it's the number 6 one. So let's click it, select cast votes. And now I can stake it for 10 days or a maximum of 90 days. I'm going to make it 10 again. And I'm going to enter 2 ELA votes. I'm going to click cast votes. And now I need to confirm. After voting, the pledged ELA will be locked during the chosen number of days and cannot be withdrawn. Let's click vote. Now I need to enter my master password. I'm going to use biometric authentication. Click next, add my fingerprint, and the transaction is successful. Now let's say you want to unstake. Let's go back, go to ELA staking, and here we see the staked amount. We can click the bottom one, unstake. I'm going to click max, and then I can click unstake, and that will allow me to unstake. And that's how easy you can stake your tokens, participate in the voting process, and unstake them if you want to. Let us know in the comment section down below if this cleared everything up for you, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.